Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for ChatGPT. First, navigate to the official OpenAI website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner of the page, and click it. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. After submitting, an email verification link will be sent to your inbox. Click this link to confirm your email and proceed to the next step of your account creation. Next, you will need to provide some personal details. This includes your first name, last name, and your date of birth. Following this, you will be asked to enter your phone number for a one-time verification. A 6-digit code will be sent to your phone via SMS. Carefully input this code into the designated field to confirm your identity. Finally, review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy to complete this stage of registration. Once your account is verified, you will have the option to choose your ChatGPT plan. You can select the free tier, which offers access to the standard model, or opt for the paid ChatGPT Plus subscription. The Plus version provides several enhanced features, including faster response times and priority access during peak hours. Consider your individual usage requirements and desired functionalities when deciding which plan best suits your needs. Congratulations, you are now ready to use ChatGPT. From your dashboard, simply access the chat interface. You can type your first prompt or question into the message box located at the bottom of the screen. Feel free to experiment with various types of queries and commands to see how ChatGPT responds. Don't forget to explore the settings for any customization options that might enhance your experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.